Good morning from Benidorm. It's Saturday morning, just before 10 o'clock, and it's bright, cold, 9 degrees, just about 10 degrees, and dry, but boy is it windy here this morning. I was just going to take a short walk along the beachfront to show you, with Storm Harry having gone and Storm Ingrid coming in. We haven't had any rain, but the wind has taken its toll on everything. The palm trees are bent sideways, as you can see things have fallen over, and I don't know if you'll even be able to hear me, so let's take a walk just to have a look. Cheers! Strong gusts. But it is pretty gusty now, so hope you've enjoyed this wee look this morning. I'll catch you again tomorrow. Bye!